Hello, 6th grade. This is Miss Reese here. Today, your assignment is Lesson 2. It's a fairly short, easy lesson, but a few things that I would just like to go over with you. Two things to remember for your lesson are two things that we're looking at, and we're looking at ways that we can speak incorrectly sometimes. So maybe you've heard someone use the words "how come" instead of "why." Okay, like how come you weren't at the picnic, or how come you wore that sweater. Okay, how come is incorrect. Instead, it should be why. Okay, instead of you do not say how come, instead you should say why. So if I was going to correct this sentence here, I would say, why did you wear that sweater? All right, so instead of how come, use the word why. And the second mistake, sometimes people use what for which or what. Okay, so what for idea was that? Instead, the correct way to say this would be, what kind of idea was that? All right, so don't use how come instead of why, and don't use what for. Instead, just use which or what. Okay, so again, to correct these sentences, I would say, why did you wear that sweater? And for this one, I would say, what kind of idea was that? All right, so again, it's a fairly short, easy lesson, but I just wanted to go over it with you and show off my new fashion statement. All right, have a good day, 6th grade.